Hi guys, welcome back to the Doc Master channel. Today we're exploring one of the most powerful and popular reversal patterns in crypto trading, the double bottom and double top. These key patterns can help you spot market reversals and make smarter crypto trading decisions. So, if you want to learn how to identify those critical turning points and increase your chances of successful trades, hit that subscribe button and watch till the end. Oh, and by the way, we've got a bunch of other tutorials on the channel, so feel free to check those out too. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are double bottoms and double tops? These patterns are classic reversal signals. A double bottom forms during a downtrend when the price tests the same low twice but fails to break below it. This might indicate that sellers are losing strength and the market could be gearing up for an upside reversal. On the flip side, a double top is the opposite. It happens during an uptrend when the price hits a resistance level twice but can't break through, often signaling an upcoming drop. So, how do we recognize these patterns? Here's an example on chart. Number 1, double bottom. Picture a downtrend where the price falls to a certain point and forms the first bottom. It then bounces back up but drops again to the same level, creating the second bottom. This is where the trend starts to reverse upward. Or a double top. During an uptrend, the price climbs to a peak, pulls back and then tries to reach that same level again but can't break it. That's a sign buyers are running out of steam and a downward reversal is likely coming. Now that we know how to spot these patterns on a chart, let's get into the practical side and answer the big question: what's the benefit of using them? Let's look at a couple of real examples. Example number 1, Bitcoin USDT chart. We see a classic double bottom here. Bitcoin's price drops, tests the same low twice and then moves upward. In this case, sellers lost momentum, giving buyers the chance to take control. We could have made a profit if we had taken a long position after spotting the double bottom. Example number 2. Now let's check out a double top on the same chart. Bitcoin's price hits a certain high twice but fails to break it, which eventually leads to a drop. Here, the sellers stepped in and pushed back the buyers. Profiting from this scenario could be trickier because the chart might be misleading, but with enough expertise, you could still come out on top. So both patterns are potential reversal signals that give traders a chance to time their entry or exit with minimal risks. A double bottom helps you find good buying opportunities when the market is oversold and ready for a bounce. Meanwhile, a double top warns of a potential correction or drop, giving traders the chance to lock in profits or open a short position. In conclusion, the double bottom and double top are powerful reversal patterns that help traders better understand market dynamics and spot key entry and exit points. But like any tool, you've got to use them wisely and always consider the risks. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, be sure to follow, subscribe to the channel, and share your trading wins in the comments. See you in the next video.